artists?
Yes.
Some of them.
The first picture who is in the
Leia.
Leia.
Pineda.
And the second,
Richard.
No.
Si Raymond.
And the third picture,
Isaiah.
the fourth picture.
Sige, damat.
Yes. And the next,
Charis.
And the last picture. That's right. So, what do you think our topic for today? Very good. So today we are going to talk about career lessons, sexual and gender minorities in multicultural education. What do you think? What is queer? Do you have any idea about queer? Yes, Rio.
I think queer is those people who are supporting LGBTQ plus identity.
Yes, you have an idea. When they say queer, this is used a term that is used that the people that are in LGBTQ. So they are being described as sexual orientation and gender identities that are not exclusively in heterosexuality and cisgender. When we say heterosexuality, it is the attraction of men to women. Like sa opposite. When we say cisgender, it's still the same it's opposite na gender. So today we're going to talk about the sexual and gender minorities in multicultural education. What is sexual orientation? Kindly read the meaning of the generalization of sexuality and gender identity.
This is a complicated concept including the whole diversity of sexual partners, gender values and identities, and other related categories of difference increasingly organized under the general term queer and their distinct communities.
So when we say sexuality and gender identity, no, it is complicated. Kaya mostly nalalibog ta kung unsa diri ang meaning anang sexuality of gender identity. So karon we're going to define what is sexual orientations or the sexuality, different sexuality. What are the different sexual orientations? These are heterosexuality, homosexuality, bisexuality, asexuality, asexuality, demisexuality, and gray sexuality. But first, we're going to define what is sexual orientation. When we say sexual orientation, it refers to a person's pattern of romantic or sexual attraction towards others. It is your attraction to other people. That is a sexual orientation. So let's move on to the different sexual orientations. First, heterosexuality. Can you read the meaning of heterosexuality?
Attraction.
Heterosexuality, attraction of people of the opposite gender.
So, when you say heterosexuality, it is your attraction towards your opposite gender. For example, si Sheila May. Naa siya kuyab nga laki, of course, kaya opposite sexuality. Next. Pansexuality. Kindly read Galula.
Attraction of people regardless of gender encompassing all genders.
So when we say pansexuality, ma-attract siya regardless of gender. So most likely lang siya o katong kuan na sa tong bisexuality mo lang siya bisexual kay ay for example ay all types na sa gender. Ano siya ang pansexuality regardless na sa gender. And when we say asexuality, there is no sexual attraction to others. Do you think na alin nag-exist din nga tao na may attraction?
Yes.
Okay. Na-exist na
Si Kuan, si Mamali.
Sige, kay Kawite, kay Magman.
Okay, proceed na tayo sa gender sexuality. Experiences sexual attraction only after forming a strong emotional bond. For example, kaling tayo mag-LQ na mag-uyag, tapos ang partner magpa-comfort sa lain. So, so, it's like, mura na siya, kaya makakuha siya ng attraction after sa strong emotional bond.
Agoy.
So, let's move on to gender identities. But first, let's define what is gender identity. Okay. What do you think is a gender identity? Dana? Do you have any idea about gender identity?
For me, gender identity, it is how you are going to represent your gender.
That is right. Your gender is society. Or it is how individuals perceive themselves or show themselves on how they express themselves. So the types of the different gender identities are
Cisgender, transgender, non-binary, genderqueer, gender fluid, agender, bigender.
Okay. First, let's talk about the cisgender. When we say cisgender, it identifies with the gender assigned at birth. So, cisgender, kung sa kahit na tao, kung sa ka babae, o lalaki ka. Lalaki. So, that is cisgender. Kung sa ka sa natao ka. And when you say transgender, can we debat the transgender?
Identifying a gender different from one assigned at birth.
Okay. For example, sa transgender, lalaki ka nga sa pagkatao. Pero sa imong pagka-express ng pagkalingon, babae. Tapos babae. So that is a transgender. Dahil ang imong expression sa society. Or sa imong basta. And next is non-binary. Identifying with the gender outside of the traditional male or female binary. For example, sa imong family, ang naandan is magaging lalaki babae. So, as ikaw ma-explorer, nag-explore ka ng different identities. So that is a gender identifying a gender outside of the traditional male or female binary. So that one can explore kang mga different kuan. That is non-binary. Next. Genderqueer. Kindly Daro.
Rejecting or challenging traditional gender categories.
So when you say genderqueer, you're rejecting the traditional ideas of gender. So mura kay imong ginaglag ang ang kanang wala na mo ginapansin ka kung ano mga conditional which is lalaki na or babae which is okay naman sa kay kung ano naman taruhin kung ano century sa kapatid century. Lahat naman din sa una nga dapat babae ka kung ano yun ka isa na. So that is gender queer. I-check na yung mga traditional na mga gender categories. Next is gender fluid. Experiencing shifts in gender identity over time. So, ang gender fluid kay kuha siya shifting or changing magdepende sa circumstances. Ay, for example, ka na sa balay. Kiwala si ganun. Naiuban na ka na sa balay, lalaki kay. Kung lalaki siya, lalaki. Pero sa young friends, kuhan siya ka ng girly-girly. So, it is like, kuha siya mag-experience siya ang shift sa iyang gender. That is gender fluid. And let's talk about the gender. Candidaate Castro. Gender.
A gender having no specific gender identity or being a lack of gender.
So, mura man siya o katong sa asexual. Kung sa asexual mo, wala siya yung attraction to kuhan. Dali, murag pilit po niya, kung ano siya? Kung sa mali, tao ko na. Murag way ko. Murag way ko. So, feeling niya, wala siya na pa mga kuhan. That is a gender, murag lack of gender. And when you say by gender, identifying with two genders. So you identify yourself as kanang duha ka kuan, duha ka gender. Which is say, which you can kuan na by gender. Okay, let's move on to the LGBT issues and the school curriculum. So kani is kanang mga issues sa school about sa mga LGBT. Can we read the first paragraph, Rochelle? First bullet, I mean.
In California, textbooks will now include LGBTQ history. Whether how the attempts in the last several years to outlaw particular representation of LGBTQ people and groups. Homophobia was those efforts have largely failed.
So, even now in California, they are now including the LGBTQ na mga history sa ilahang textbooks. How about sa Philippines? Nana ba yung mga topics about LGBTQ? Wala pa. Wala pa ba? Sa college? So, sa kuwan, yes, sa college. Sige. Next! Castro, kailan na second model?
In November 2014, for instance, parents in Vancouver, British Columbia brought suit against the district's policy allowing transgender youth to use school bathroom reflecting their chosen gender identity, arguing that such policy violated the children's rights to privacy and their parents' rights to raise their children in gender they see fit.
For example, di ba dapat nila itamo sa Philippines katong
Sa mall.
oo, katong sa to siya trans woman
trans
woman na oo, naabot siya. So, sa kuhan daw, lagi yung mga parents ka, dili nag-anak kay murag sila, binary lang sila kay ay lang kuhan kay nag-delete sila sa traditional na gender which is male na female. Next is policy and cultural barriers to addressing minority sexuality and gender identity remain even when legal prohibitions against representing LGBTQ issues are lifted. Bisa na daw ang mga legal prohibitions sa about sa na nag-represent sa LGBTQ is kuan na-arise na. Though ang mga policy and cultural barriers paghihapon kay naa paghihapon mura siya wala lang gihapon, nag-given lang gihapon sila. Still, many teachers who know that they are teaching students who are LGBTQ or who are being raised by lesbian, gay, bisexual, or transgender or LGBT parents would like to be able to make those students feel supported and part of the school community but fear that addressing issues of minority sexuality will put their jobs at risk. So di ba sa mga teachers karon, nag-aakon ba sila like kanang di ba na yung mga teachers na mga belong sa LGBTQ+ na community. So, di ba ang ilang kon gihapon ilang appearance is lalaki. So, di gihapon sila kayo murag ma-address ang ilang profession. Bisan ka lang gusto nila, ilan na lang pamaagi is ka na murag ilang i-encourage ang bata nga ipakita kung unsa siya. Dili lang ka lang sa kanang physical appearance nga dapat ingani. So dapat support lang sila as a feature of a multicultural education. Okay, LGBTQ parents also face barriers to their participation in schools and are concerned that their children are inadequately protected from harassment. For example, datong parents nga nagkuhan kind of case kay dili siya gusto nga ang kanang trans man na mga kuhan kay sago sa mga babae gud na mga CR. So napo ni mga cases nga di jud gi-allow sa parents nga naay mga different gender identities. Ang ilaha lang jud katong traditional na gender, which is the male and the female. Next is LGBTQ teachers may be concerned that their identity puts them at risk in their jobs, especially if they are not protected by anti-discrimination laws and policies that cover sexual identity. So, ingana dyan sa, labi na sa DepEd, diba, kay, dili good kuhan nga, dili allowed, no, kay murag, bawal dyan siya sa DepEd na, kung lalaki ka, tapos mag-represent ka nga, girl na yun, murag, unsa man, dili siya, allow sa DepEd.
Dili siya professional sa mga
Oo, dili siya.
Ayaw kung consideration kitong bawal na silang
Oh, so di ba mga ingana ng mga cases, ma-access nila ang mga trabaho as teacher kay kung kung gusto nila ipakita ilang ka ng true self, siguro support each other. Sa pamaagi na lang sa pag-support. That's it. So, do you have any questions about the core lessons of sexual and gender minorities in school curriculum? None. If none, may call on teacher today. Laureline for the next discussion.
We have question.